Hey guys, so it's been a minute since I have uploaded a little go-to makeup look for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how I completed this look. This look I created for my professional pictures to go take my ID badge for the hospital I will be working at while I'm in nursing school. So if you're looking for something that says professionality, yet at the same time has a little bit of glam, but not too much, this is definitely a look you would want to replicate and make your own. So keep watching, let's start this video. So we're gonna start off with my primer, which I am running out. So I'll show you guys the box. Optical Illusions Urban Decay Primer. This is the best primer for kind of like a blurred out Instagram filter, Snapchat type of look. This is my favorite primer, so you're just gonna apply it. I apply it all around my face. For our foundation, we're going to go in with the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer combo. My color is 4 Cream Whip. So with the stick it comes with, you're just going to spread it all around your face. You're going to spread it down to your neck so you can blend that area as well. Now we're going to go ahead and grab a damp beauty blender and you're just going to push the product into your face. You want to make sure you're pushing the product into your face and you're not wiping it off. I am now going to prime my lips with the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Lip Plumper. This is definitely extreme. It really leaves your lips nice and tingly, but they look nice and plump, and who doesn't like that, right? Going in now with one of the OGs of my makeup collection, the Laura Mercier Setting Powder. I have it in translucent, I am apparently showing you. Now I'm just going to apply this to my T-zone, basically the areas where you can develop crease, like under your eyes, around your mouth, on your forehead, on my jawline. I like to set it on my jawline because sometimes I rest my head on my hand, and that's a bad habit, so my makeup can crease off. I'm going to let it set, I'm going to bake it for a bit, and we're going to come back to it. Now we're going to go in and do our eyebrows with the Anastasia Chocolate Powder Duo. And I'm just going to get the Anastasia brush for my brows and I'm going to just fill in. I don't really draw over, I just draw where I already have little pelitos already. How nice would it be if I could actually snap my fingers and my brows would be done. So we're going to take off the Laura Mercier setting powder with a big fluffy brush. The brush is not any particular brand. Now we're going to go in with the Anastasia powdered bronzer. This is the color Tawny. It is not my absolute favorite because it has kind of like reddish undertones. But I will say that the more I use it, the more I am really loving it. Yeah, so you're just going to put it, I kind of like to draw like a 3, so you start in your hairline, down your jawline, and then right under your neck. And then I'm going to go in with another brush. This is a Morphe bronzing brush, and I'm just going to kind of create more depth. And I did add a little bit to around my nose. And I'm dancing for you guys now. Yeah. This product has easily become one of my favorite blush palettes. It is the NYX Sweet Cheeks palette. And I like to mix around my colors. So today I'm using apparently this little rosy pinky color. And what I do is I kind of put that fake smile on. You know, the smile that you're like, I'm so happy to be here, but I'm really not. That's how I apply my brush. And I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown highlight. This is the color Pink Glow. And typically I don't use this highlight so much because it's the most low-key of all my highlighters, but I'm trying really hard to pick up as much as I can. But I don't really want a very dramatic highlight since I'm trying to look very professional and not like a sparkly unicorn like I do on the daily.
One of my staple makeup looks, and something I always do, is I get my eyebrows powder from Anastasia, and I like to fill in my little lunar. I think it's me, and I really like to enhance my natural beauty. So I'm going to go in now with the Carly Bible BH Cosmetics Highlight and Eyeshadow Palette. This palette is really nice and neutral, and yet very shimmery at the same time. So I'm going to go in with a kind of like a nudie rose color, and I'm going to do my crease but kind of blend it outwards, not very focused on my crease, because I do want to create some like shadow and depth effect and kind of extend the color outward. And I'm going to go in with a lighter color on my lid just to refine that polished look and set right under my brows. I wish I could tell you guys where I got these little cute mermaid brushes, but they were a gift for Christmas. Now I'm going to go in and go very concentrated right on my crease line to create that extra depth. I like to make my eyes look as big as possible, and this does the trick. It just makes me look so awake and I'm ready for anything, you know? Now I'm going to go with the kind of like champagne gold color on my lid right over where I set it with the lighter color. I always like a little bit of sparkle even when I'm doing something low key, you know? And this brush that I'm using, I did damp it before to make sure I got the most pigment. Now the same color that I put on the concentrated part of my crease, I'm going to apply it right under my lid to create kind of like a little smoky effect. I'm going to use now a very, I guess you can call it like concentrated blending brush, because all of bristles are compact, and I'm gonna fill in and color right at the edge of my eyes on the outer corners. This is also going to create some depth, and I feel like it really helps my eyes pop behind my glasses. So I'm pretty content with my look. Now I'm gonna use the Lancome mascara. I did get this as a sample when I purchased my favorite perfume from them. I'm so far really loving it, but I also did run out of my favorite mascara, which is the Paradise one. But this one, it honestly does the trick. It's a pretty good temporary replacement. I'm happy with it. Gonna put some Versali Rose Gold Elixir on my lips to finish my last touch of prepping them after applying the lip plumper in the beginning. You want to just shake it up, make sure you get the full particles, and you're just going to apply that all over your lips. Just like that, guys. Feels nice. I have a box from NYX where I apply all my lip colors, and now I apparently choose the MAC Twig Satin Lipstick. This is a very nice natural color. I'm going to swatch it. It's really nice. It's really, really creamy. Has to be one of my go-tos for a look like this. Kind of like enhances my natural color of my lips, which I really appreciate. Last but not least, the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This has been one of my favorites for many, many years. I absolutely love this product. And there is my completed look. It's very glam, professional, not cakey, but still full coverage. I was really happy with the way my makeup came out. It looks like I'm ready for fall also. Maybe I should do some fall looks for you guys.
Alright everyone, that is my go-to look. I'm really excited. I'm about to go take my pictures for my ID badge. So if you're looking for a professional type of look, you want it fast and go to simple, natural, but a little bit of I did an effort this morning. This is definitely a look I would totally recommend. This look did not take me longer than 15 minutes. It's very professional, yet not too much. So I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be posting videos every week, sometimes more. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!